Namaso Kamsa, the VOA, Adilontin Kanga, Janangapoyan, Matanangapoye, Limsa Sochon, Tiranti, Limsan Daton Yanayang, Ranchim Sochon Shushin. Devilo Kashi Rala Jano Shungi, Ponang, Jondi, Mayin B, Girki, Puik Tatsik to Goyamne Tamtak Chimbuchi Yobare, Tananshin Sanshuganata Yanaya, Pokaikana, the Kapper Korchisam, Eptan, Tatsik Sarazon, Kenchinola Sondu, Inaya Terangati, Gashi Chon Yons, Kai Susuganala. Siktan Tanya Turtusi, Talam Kitsun Shuyin. Nabate definitely.com Shivi Tatsing di Goshiwayina, Search Jesalangati, Poche Zawayina, Poche Dadantan, Dia Lotan, Yang Potan Jivi, Porkatan, Poil Tavi, Tanya Soton Yongdu, Dinayang Potan, Kanja Tavi, Tanya Yang Sultukundu. Dipshin and Yikanala, Tibetan Dan, Ayakta Zawayina, Titsonki, Nangdundan, Yang Zamlan Kay Nishilakana, Jiriope, Tanya Soton Yongdu. Yachi Talam ke Loda Trati Pattern Chesi Tene, Isushiwatina, the Pomi Dringski Shirlekone Pattern Chipi, Shipi, Drong, Tip Korsing Nicharan Kanun Jason. Nabato isu.com Shivitasignan Peti, GOE Webmaster Shitine Sartapundu, Tetawayina, Pojon Shirlekonki Pattern Shivi, Tip Kundum to Yalroyoba, Jamba Magivitane Talachetapundu, Dipshan Shidung Tip Mampo Yopale, Nimakashi Hula, Shidung Tip Nisham Kanun Jason. Shitang Shidung Tip to Shiba Chonchontan, Yana, Chonsam Gambas, Lona Mandawa Mambola, Mipi, Tip Mandawa and Hatsondu, Tip to Pansela, Yikertan, Yang Susu Kapertan, Sinkurkanala, Pavlian Chatakundu. Yanok Shungi Ponang, Najun Shiumba, to Yanok Shungan, Jensap the Kunjaki, Ponang, the Chetaranga Yopa Dershindu. Tongu Puki Tawa Shive, Dirab Sari, Pojonki Pegitan, Yerdok Chivi, Sandir Chatun Sote, Pobatola, Chilik Dami, Janga Yosil, Shija Sargupi, Toala, Landip Shipping, Jensapala, Poki Najun Shiumbatan, Zomba Pol Lhasham Gyal Chet Jingdu, and Etendina, the Tarkondu. Tongu Pur Pi Shimjik Teneki, Chilik Shimjuk Soi, Sotan Jomba, Shimjipa Jomba, Lhasham Gyalki, Sargupi Tower Landip Cup, Nivi Lungi, Tongu Pujinang Tenki, Jitan Kalatene. Pojin Nantan Hyunchanga Jinzita, Tadan Mountsuki, Chilik Tami, Rangan Ganlin, Kanlok Tobiochi, Shepherd Tindo. Then a Yanoki Putin, Najun Shunchen, so Jakushanla, Pokurki, Kacha Shankala, Kudushi Shimbata, Putin Najun Shiumba, Tetula, Minshin, Damka Yometa, Kate Tetarchi, Mando Paina, Shiumba Tetu, Netan, Kandala, and Jirni Pasona, lots of Kishi Barendo. Tajigilam the Katayopi Metinda Puki Tonsip the Sone, Po Sarashi Shadashawala, Sane Sjongi, Tenki Jurgishi, Yanak Jondi King in a leisure goods Yobarendo. Long Humate Cheloniton Sashi Luchida Navina, La Yanak Shondi Pui Sandy Tatsik Mampu Nanta, Puki Pomoshiki, Soso Dosi, Shanta Kutswanam, Talam the Nyamper Taton Yete, Tangrap Janta, Tarso Chivi, Pojon Shi Sashak Kantatane, Po Nyampi Kiko Yenze, Shanta Dapu, Girki Do Kante to Mesirte, Longcho Chesil Sor, Tato Mangchanki, Dirap Sari, Pojon Sari, Nyamdir Wamba Dapashi Tindo, Taluchida Napinanta, Tato Mangchanki, Puki Tonsip Tadilatavi, Shigo Pelgo Tsubashi, Talam ke Kataksanki Muteti, Poti Tonsip Sakati and Etzel Pene, Dirap Sari, Pojo, Tontabla, Sane Sujungi, Tenki Georgi Sogdandu, then the Tartipata Yanashungi, Ponanta, Yamperson Toa, Muggira Yen Dondoki, and Etzel Patient Bata, Mugirpi, Yesingupi, Ronshati, Shone, Chapsa Tadok Patient Bati, Dempanta Choyopade. Gashi Yambatats YouTube Gelamte, one day in Lhasa and Lhasi Nin Chichi, Jeshi, in Chicata, France Nikinanta Tangopat Hongendu. Tanangapoki shet on Kelan Jua Sheti, Sheti Nangdong Kone Moto Nara Shuyu.
Tashidele, I'm Dekyi and I'm going to talk about my song One Day in Lhasa. The song One Day in Lhasa is the result of many years of struggle for justice and freedom for the Tibetan people and was written by my dad and I. The aim of the song is to bring public awareness towards the Tibetan cause and to let the world know about the brutal oppression of the Chinese government in Tibet. This song relates the story of more than 100,000 Tibetans who fled Tibet and who still do today, following His Holiness the Dalai Lama in exile during the Chinese invasion in 1959. Tibetans fled across the hostile and majestic Himalayan mountains, risking their lives and therefore leaving their loved ones. One Day in Lhasa will make you feel the tears, the sorrow, and distress of the Tibetan people, as well as their everlasting hope to go back to Tibet one day. The song was released on YouTube in December 2021 and has now more than 13,000 views. The feedback we have daily on social medias are very positive. People are very moved by the song, the lyrics, and video clip. The comments are very encouraging and motivate me to do more. My goal is to raise awareness about the situation in Tibet, about its history but also its daily struggle. I am very proud to be Tibetan and French, and I want people to recognize Tibet as a country. Overall, I'm myself very moved by the writing process of the song since I'm telling the story of Maya Mala. I hope you will like the song.
Teniang nga so nyambal la tawi ti so tiral heb song kong ne dishti log chi ngotu shuwa tar de one day in Lhasa Lhasi nyen chi shiwi je ti nang do rup zam shi na ba che shi tok song yo ba nang shi nga che je ti nang ne tum thong thong chi la nyam de nyan Thang di tanang ko po yong sin han ro shu sim ba yin lim chan ji mi nang nga chu kyar tin je yong